To install the CIT Bank app, start by opening the App Store on your mobile phone, either the Play Store or Apple Store. Next, type CIT Bank app into the search bar and select the app with the CIT Bank logo. Click the Install button to begin downloading the app, then wait for it to complete. Once the download is finished, open the CIT mobile bank app and allow it to access the requested options. Finally, enter your personal details, including your user ID and password, to verify your account and complete the installation process. By following these steps, you can easily install the CIT Bank mobile app and start accessing the bank's financial services from your phone. CIT Bank, a financial institution offering services to various enterprises, has made its services more accessible through this mobile app banking feature.